One very hot summer day, the sun was shining brightly in the sky. The weather was so hot that many animals and birds were feeling tired and thirsty. A black crow was flying in the sky. He had been flying for a long time, and now he felt very thirsty. Caw, caw, I need water, the crow said sadly. The crow started looking for water everywhere. First, he flew over a big green field, but there was no water there. Then he flew near a small river, but sadly, the river was almost dry. The poor crow felt weak and tired. He sat on a tree branch and looked around. Where can I find water? He wondered. After resting for a few minutes, the crow decided not to give up. He flew again and kept searching. Soon he reached a small garden near a house. In the garden, he saw many flowers, plants, and trees. Suddenly, something shiny caught his eye. Oh, what is that? The crow said. He quickly flew down to check. It was a clay pot. The crow became very happy. Maybe there is water inside this pot, he said. He looked inside the pot carefully. Yes, there was some water at the bottom of the pot, but there was a problem. The water level was very low. The crow tried to put his beak inside the pot to drink the water, but his beak could not reach it. The crow tried again and again, but it was useless. Oh no, the water is too low, the crow said sadly. For a moment, the crow felt disappointed, but he did not want to give up. He started thinking. The clever crow looked around the garden and suddenly saw many small stones lying on the ground. Then an idea came into his mind. I have an idea, the crow said happily. He picked up a small stone with his beak and dropped it into the pot. Plop. Then he picked another stone and dropped it into the pot. Plop, plop. The crow kept bringing more stones and dropping them into the pot. Slowly, something amazing started to happen. The water level began to rise higher and higher. The crow worked very hard. He carried many small stones and dropped them into the pot. Finally, the water came close to the top. Now the crow could easily reach the water with his beak. Caw, caw. Finally, the crow said happily. He drank the cool water and felt fresh and strong again. After drinking enough water, the crow happily flew away into the sky. The clever crow had solved his problem by using his intelligence. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way.